Welcome again to Budget with Brian 2. This is the original semi-detached, which is now mid-terrace. It's a 3-bedroom house, but come on in and have a look at the lounge. How about that? Not bad, is it? And we opened up what was a serving hatch to make this the access through into the kitchen. And again, you know, fantastic finish, I think. This glass finish. This one's got a different kind of magic corner. And if we carry on upstairs, yeah, plenty of storage space in the cupboards. This originally had a very 70s look to it, with slatted rails, which we've made more traditional. So first of all, let's go to the master bedroom and look at the size of that. Isn't that big? There used to be a fireplace there, that's come out, and that's made the ability to use some more of those IKEA doors and fitted wardrobes. Yeah. And then, this used to be the old airing cupboard. That's just storage now, but the second bedroom is equally quite as big, don't you think? Have a look in the meantime at the terracing of the garden. That was fairly well overgrown when we took over, but that looks quite a good solution to that kind of problem. And now the bathroom, before I show you the little play I had with bedroom 3. So this is the bathroom. Originally there was a wall here, and this was the toilet, and that's the bath. Now, by taking the wall away, you can have a shower, the toilet, vanity unit, and of course, and in this case, the boiler is behind here, in the bathroom. And a little surprise perhaps, again, making use of this the space above the staircase, I bought this frame from the internet, and what I did is I took the wall that was just there, because traditionally box rooms are dead a 6-foot space, and what we've done is cut the legs off there, moved the wall back, created a platform, and now what you have is a space at the end, but you've got storage space at this end, and you've got storage space in here, and that again is making sensible use of space over a staircase. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, as before, subscribe!